Hello students of class 2nd, myself Jigna Patel is going to teach you English chapter number 2. What are those boys doing? Part 1. Children, do you like to play games? Which type of games do you know and which game do you like the most? During your school break, which game would you like to play? And one more important question I would like to ask you that if a new student comes in your class, do you let him or her also play with you? Yes, students, you should always learn to make new friends. Students, this is a dialogue between few friends. So, let's start with the lesson. Tanya is a Russian girl. She is Mina's pen friend. Pen friend means a person with whom you form a friendship through exchanging letters. Today, she is in Mina's school. She is near the playground with Mina. Playground means an outdoor area provided for children to play in. Tanya said, "What are those boys doing?" Now Tanya wants to know about the boys, what they are doing. Meena said, "They are playing." Tanya said, "What are they playing?" Meena said, "They are playing hide and seek." Kids, do you know the meaning of hide and seek? Hide and seek is a game in which one player hides and the other have to look for them. Tanya said, "Arif is hiding behind a bush." Bush means a small group of trees or plants growing closely together. Meena said, "Now look, Amit is walking on tiptoe." Tiptoe means walk quietly and carefully with your heels raised. Tanya is laughing. Hooray! Amit is catching Arif. Tanya is enjoying their games. Meena said, "Let's go to the playground." Now Meena is taking Tanya to another playground. Tanya said, "Oh, here the girls are also playing." What are they playing? Now Tanya has seen few girls playing and now she wants to know what are they playing. Meena said, "They are playing the parcel game." Charu is playing the mouth organ and the girls are passing the parcel around. Parcel means an object or collection of objects wrapped in paper in order to be carried or sent by post. Tanya said, "Now Charu is not playing the mouth organ. Has Geeta got the parcel?" Meena said, "Yes, she is unwrapping it." Kids, unwrapping means to remove the wrapping. Tanya said, "Now what is she doing?" Meena said, "She is taking out a card and reading it." Now Geeta is reading from the card. Tanya said, "Oh, she is hopping like a frog." Hopping means move by jumping on one foot. Meena said, yes, the card says hope like a frog. Now Geeta have to hope like a frog because it was written in the card. Now Charu is playing her mouth organ. Tanya said, Charu is not playing now. Monica has the parcel. Now Monica is having the parcel. Now let's see, students, what is written in her card. Meena said to Monica, what's written on the card? Monica said, pull your ears. Monica is pulling her ears and everyone is laughing. Tanya said, oh, this is fun. So students, do you all enjoy playing game? And here we end with our chapter. Thank you, students. Students, now take out your English notebook of 4 lines and we will be writing notes of lesson number 2. Give the heading lesson number 2. What are those boys doing? Students, written the heading. Okay. Come on the next line, new line. Now write drill words in the new line. D capital in 3 line. Touch the red and blue line. D capital in 3 line. DRILL drill. WORDS words, drill words. The first word is Tanya. T capital in 3 lines. TANYA. Tanya. Now students, leave 3 lines for your practice at home. 1, 2, 3 line. Write number 2, Russian. R capital RUSSIAN, Russian. Touch the line and write Russian. Again students, leave 3 lines for your practice. The third word is pen, friend. Now write in small letter PENFRIEND, pen, friend. Now again leave 3 lines for your homework. Common number 4. Fourth word is Meena. Meena is a name. M capital in 3 line. Touch the line and write MEENA, Meena. Again leave 3 lines for your practice. Number 5th word is playing. PLAYING, playing. Again students, leave 3 lines for your homework. 6th word is hide and seek. HIDE, hide. AND, and. SEEK, seek. Hide and seek. Again leave 3 lines for your practice. 7th word is bush. BUSH, bush. Leave 3 lines for your practice. 8th word is tiptoe. TIPTOE, tiptoe. Again leave 3 lines for your practice. 9th word is playground. PLAY Ground. Playground. Students, leave 3 lines for your practice. 10th word is Charu. C capital. Charu is a name, so capital letter CHARU. Charu. Leave 3 lines, students. Give number 11. Mouth organ. MOUTHORGAN. Mouth organ. Leave 3 lines for your homework. And the 12th word is parcel. 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 Leave 3 lines. Write number 13. Unwrapping. 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 Kids, again leave 3 lines for your practice. Write number 14. READING. Reading. Leave again 3 lines for your homework. Give number 15. HOPPING. Hoping. Students, leave 3 lines for your practice. Write number 16th. CARD. 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 Leave 3 lines, students, for your practice. Number 17th is PULLING. Pooling. Students, leave 3 lines. Write number 18. The word is laughing. 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 Students, again leave 3 lines. Give number 19. The word is children. 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 Leave 3 lines. And the last word is garden. Number 20 is garden. 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 So students, here we end with our part 1. Thank you, students.